Hello, today we are going to learn a song, Your Spirit by Tasha Cobbs, and I'm going to play in the key of A. Alright, now this song has a simple progression. It starts from a 6, 4, 5, and then you come back to your 3. So the first part of the song, you play a 6, 7, 5, 3, and then the second part of the song, you play a 6, 1, 5, and then 2, all in the key of A. So I'm going to play the song, a small section of the song, and then I'll delve into explaining the chords to you. All right, so so that is the song. I'm going to show you the chords in the progression form, and then I'll with that you should be able to follow and then play as slowly as possible. So the first chord, which is F minor. This time around, I'm not playing F minor on my right. I'm actually playing an A major. Right, this A major, this is my triad chord. Right, so I just inverted it, and then all right. So I'm playing it this way. This is my A major. So my 1, this is 1/6. So the bass line is 6, and then the right hand is 1. So all right. So this is my chord 4. I have D, A, D, and then A, D, E, F sharp. Now this is my D. I can also invert it and then play this A here. So probably you will see me playing it this way. Okay, so either you play it here or here. Alright, and then now my 5th note or my 5th chord, I'm playing E, B, E, and then B, E, F sharp, A flat. Okay, so this one too, I could invert it and play the B here. There's another way I could play it. All right, now my 3rd chord. Okay, so C sharp, A flat, C sharp, and then A flat, C sharp, E. Okay, now there's a part where I played alright, so let me show you that part also. That part is a 6, 1. We're in the key of A, so this becomes our 1. So 6, 1, 5, 2. So on your left hand, you'll be playing like this. Alright, so on my right hand, I'm playing, this one is A/6, 1/6, right? So you'll be playing the same. Alright, then when you finish, you come and play this. It's a suspended chord. Now it's a 5th chord. This is the 5th chord, right? Now on my 5th, I'm supposed to play this. This is the triad of E major. This is E 9th, major 9th. So if I remove this A flat note, it becomes a suspended chord. So you'll be playing. Alright, then this is my D, and you'll be playing the D over that. It should be it's going to be 4 over 2. 4, this chord 4 is the same as this, so I'm just playing this note here. Okay, so let me play it as slowly as possible. Then you repeat your right. Then the next verse is the same as the second one that we just played. So let me play the chords out for you. At this point, this way we stand in awe of you. So after the verse, this my third chord. Alright, and then I know you are seeing the notes up there, right? Okay, so you now see the fourth chord that I showed you in the beginning. Yeah. Okay, so now we are now going to be playing the 6th chord here. So you listen, you watch. Alright, so it's a 6, 5, then 5 over 3, then resolves to 4th chord. All right, so let me. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God, by your spirit, God. So I believe these calls should be able to help you play the song. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.